Hello everyone, it's Lucy from Recent Package. We specialize in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a Pulp box. Look at here. It is made by a dry press from recycled paper. Come with wet press. It will be a little rough. You can add the surface. In addition, there is a groove to place the product. It is have good holding effective on the product. And our product has achieved zero pollution, zero addition, zero emission in the production process. The wastewater and cutting color material can be recycled, including defective products can also be reused. To achieve the concept of environmental protection, the important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. If you want to design a unique poultry package, welcome to contact with us to get a free sample. Thank you for your watching. Bye.